In fact, before doing this program, if anybody would have asked me, introduce yourself, I would have said, sir, we make paddy processing equipment, hum ye karte hain, hum wo karte hain. And then suddenly we realize that what adds value is numbers. What adds value is data, and how you rightfully exaggerate that data, not lying anything to anybody. जो figures मैंने बोले हैं सब सच है, ये हम कर रहे हैं. In fact, sir का program करने के बाद में the biggest advantage is customers बढ़ेंगे, leads बढ़ेंगी, conversions बढ़ेंगी, सब कुछ होगा. But self image जो change हुई है, जो confidence change हुआ है in I've always been into sales. I've always been good with my sales and numbers. But the image change that has happened when you talk to somebody that my machines are processing 36 million tons of rice every year, or my customers cumulatively are generating about 15 lakh crores of revenue, or I'm saving 300 crores for my customers every year. The image, the self-confidence goes to the next level. और इसमें से कुछ भी झूठ नहीं है. I realized all of this after doing such program. Thank you so much, sir. आप नहीं होते तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं इतना important हूँ.
Great. You're welcome.
Yes, sir. So this is where it is. I finished my 5 months about a month ago, and trust me, guys, it is a phenomenal program. When I joined, I was a little skeptical that digital marketing for a guy or for a business which is into B2B, which is into machinery, which a cheaper version of my machinery costs about 2 crores, and a more expensive one will cost anywhere upwards of 10-12 crores. ऐसे प्रोडक्ट के लिए डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या कर लेगी, क्या करेंगे, ये तो उन लोगों के लिए है जिनके ऑनलाइन सेल्स हैं. आई वाज ड्रास्टिकली रॉन्ग, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड आई डिडंट लिसन टू माय सेल्फ. मैंने सर की बात सुनी और कोर्स किया. इट हैज चेंज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन लाइफ. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली it has taught me how to make videos and the importance of video marketing, how we can communicate to all our customers through the best sales guy in our organization, which is me. I believe I am the bestest sales guy in my organization, and I am communicating to all my customers without putting the efforts. So this is possible through video marketing. Sir has taken us through detailed discussions on how to make videos, what are the rights, what are the wrongs, kya karna hai, kya nahi karna hai, and all the rest of it. Beautiful it is, and it's the bestest tool that there are hundreds of tools that sir will teach you, but in my opinion, this is the best or the second best tool in the entire program. Sir has taught us how to write content. Sir has taught us how to kick where it hurts. The fear, lust, greed theory of sir. Positioning statement का मैंने आपको अभी भी बताया. Sir, most of you all know how I used to position myself. Nitin sir, Amar bhai, all of you all are here. You must have realized कि मैं पहले अपने आप को कैसे introduce करता था. I'm sure you are feeling a difference. पहले जब भी कोई प्राइस की बात करता था, मैं भी वही दुखड़ा रोता था कि सर मेरी क्वालिटी अच्छी है. I don't think in the last 3 months I've used the word quality at all. I only start using 6K LH formula of sir. अब तो दिमाग में वही आता है, सर आप कब कहां कितना लॉस कर रहे हो, अपनी जिंदगी क्यों बर्बाद कर रहे हो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट ले लो. That kind of stuff, and then you help them calculate. Beyond all of this, what has really helped me in my B2B business is LinkedIn, and it has helped me find customers in 3 or 4 new countries. It has helped me find suppliers in 3 or 4 countries. In fact, I was just telling sir about a month ago how there's a peculiar product that I buy from Hindalco, and Hindalco always used to kind of blackmail me. See, they're a very professional company, but because they knew I have no other source, जो वो बोलते थे मुझे सुनना होता था. Through some of sir's strategies, I got some connections of the same product manufacturer in China, much cheaper than Hindalco. The product has still not come, but Hindalco knows I started importing. With that fear alone, the way they talk to me and the kind of importance they give my orders has changed. In fact, they wrote an email to me. They had not produced a particular material in my specific size. So when I started questioning them, earlier on the response would be, अब नहीं बना, जो मतलब बन जाएगा तो दे देंगे. And now the response suddenly is that, sir, you use a standard size, जो भी आपका scrap होगा आप हमको debit कर लीजिए. I said I want an email to that effect, and I got an email. Sir, if you remember, I showed the email to you, sir.
Yes.
All thanks to sir's LinkedIn strategies, I have been able to find half a dozen suppliers for that product in China. And
so what would be the impact of these new suppliers? एक तो आपने बताया कि आपके जो current vendors थे वो आपके control में आ गए, grip में आ गए.
Correct.
Even though they were much larger, much huger than us, even then we were able to control. But what is the other result or impact on business?
Now I'm able to negotiate better. So my input cost is lesser. So either I gain more margins, my profit goes up, or my competing ability goes up. Apart from that, now there were lots of products that I'm talking only on the supply side of it now. I'll talk about the sales side of it in 2 minutes time. So there were lots of products which were in my wish list where I wanted to add those, but I didn't know where to source it from. Now, using some of the strategies that you've told me, sir, I've already put on 2 people in my team to start locating manufacturers of those, meeting all my specs and requirements and the requirements of the Indian import constitution.
Mhm.
So I think we are moving well in those directions. So new product lines can be added to my business. Apart from that, on the sales side, we have already reached something really unimaginable happened. We've got inquiries from China for my rice milling machines. मतलब पूरी दुनिया चाइना से ले रही है, and somebody from China has sent us an inquiry. 4 inquiries we've got. 2 of them are not qualified. 2 of them are qualified. So in fact, this is another important thing. Using some of the questions, we quickly realize without investing too much of money if those leads which have come to are qualified or not qualified. पहले हम कम से कम 15-20 दिन 1 महीना लगा लेते थे just to find out if those leads mean something to us or not. मतलब now some of the strategies that sir has taught us, we are able to do it rather quickly. So we are disqualified.
अगर चाइना वाले लोग तो आपकी मशीन आपसे खरीद के उसकी कॉपी बना के सस्ता करके आगे लोगों को बेचना शुरू कर देंगे।
सर कर लेंगे तो हम कुछ और कर लेंगे, मतलब वो अभी डॉक्यूमेंट लेके कुछ होगा।
ओके
और ये है कि they want to re-export it to Africa, which is my big market, but at least I've got a new source of inquiries. I've got inquiries from 2-3 other countries, so we're working on this, sir, and my conversion cycle is about 5 to 6 months time. So and trust me guys, this is only for B2B businesses. अगर आपके ऑनलाइन सेल्स हैं, अगर आपकी you have hundreds of customers where you need thousands or lakhs of leads, then to you are in the mecca of lead generation. And for a business like me where I don't want more than 100 leads or 150 leads in a year, I feel I'm in the right space. It is a great source of learning where you will be doing a lot of value addition to your businesses regardless of which business you are in. I'm in my class, we had a lot of businesses who had to B2B, B2C, B2B2C, B2G. All of them found value in this business. So it makes a lot of sense. Trust me, guys, I want to add 2 more points, sir, before we go further. Sir is not a digital marketing guru. He is a strategy guru. He will give you such strategies which are beyond digital marketing that will blow your mind away. One, and more important than that, the biggest advantage with sir is available when you need him. You call him, he will not disconnect the call till you don't disconnect the call. He will ensure that the problem is solved. And there have been weeks when I've called him 3 times in a week, where I've told him, sir, मैं Delhi आ गया हूँ, मुझे आपसे मिलना है. He will be available to you, and that adds to your confidence like you can't imagine. So these are the 2-3 things which and like just I was telling before I started talking, pitch, objection handling, follow up. Matlab, sir will give you such a beautiful strategy for a business like mine, where see none of us buy a 5 crore, 8 crore machine across the table, right? So it will require a 5 months, 6 months follow up. तो कैसे फॉलो अप करना है, कैसे बिना बात किए फॉलो अप करना है, किस टाइम पे कौन सा वीडियो भेजना है. I don't think anybody can make it easier. And the other big advantage with sir, huge advantage with sir is, sir खाना परोसते नहीं है, आपके मुंह में दे देते हैं. मतलब ऐसे मुंह में चम्मच से आपको खिला देंगे, इसलिए क्योंकि वो आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वाला ये दे देंगे. उधर आपको अपना सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट का नाम चेंज करना है, आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम चेंज करनी है, एंड इट्स रेडी, कॉपी पेस्ट एंड यू आर रेडी टू गो. My LinkedIn connections have changed. The number of connections have enhanced drastically after using some of sir's strategies. So I can't thank you sufficiently, sir. Thank you so much.